Gondor egg powder, production line. Brush roller rotating scrubbing. Efficiently remove eggshell surface contaminants. Automatically break eggs after cleaning and drying. Accurate separation of egg white and yolk. High pressure homogenization for egg liquid. Break fat globules into tiny particles. Low temperature sterilization. Retain protein activity and nutrition. Instantly dry liquid egg into powder. Stable and controllable product properties. Accurate measurement and automatic filling. Filling accuracy over 99.7%. Finished product display. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping